Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Here in this video, we are going to talk about how you can actually make money on this side with Jiji.ng in Nigerian. And I understand the fact that this platform actually available on some African country like that. And you can actually benefit from this video if you are from another parts of Nigeria, like African country to be precise. So we're going to be discussing about how you can actually make money with this website. So I can remember back then there's a time like that around that COVID 2020 2021 like that. So a friend of mine reached out to me and asked me to run an ads for him on Jiji. So he's trying to selling Apple wristwatch, original one or fake one. You understand what I mean by fake one? Yeah. So and is literally making lots of money with it. So and with that, the method I think he's actually using to make money using the Jiji's platform is buying those products from AliExpress or Jumia platform and come on to Jiji and try to place the products or the particular wristwatch on Jiji. Then you use the promotion method on the platform and is making a lot of sales on the platform. So I check his account around 2021, so and I think that he's actually getting massive orders because people are actually interested in buying that watch. But as for now, I think that watch is actually saturated and people are actually selling it. So and it has casted, if I should be sincere with you. So and the thing I actually notice is this, because if you have a unique product, so definitely you are going to make lot of sales regarding the price, regardless of the price you put in on that particular product. So what I discover is this. Let's say for instance you just notice a product that is yet saturated and you think people gonna be interested in buying that particular product. Just like the wristwatch I made mention, the original Apple wristwatch actually costs around 80,000 upward, so but you saying an Apple wristwatch like the copied one for like 15k 20,000 naira, so definitely you are going to buy it because I know you actually want to feel among just like me, so you will definitely buy it. So and it's actually cheap, and most of the people will not know that you're actually using the copied one. They will believe that you're using the original one because it can actually get connected with your Apple device or any mobile device you're actually using. So it's pretty amazing. So that is just it. And believe me, the selling products or services or goods on Jiji is quite easy, so just have to just sell or click on sell on the platform. So once you click on sell on the platform, then you can actually proceed and set up your account on the platform. So once you set up your account, you put on the product you actually want to sell on the platform. So and if you actually want to get order quickly as soon as possible, so I would advise you to go for the promotion part. So once you promote that product, so you are going to make sales, and Jiji will definitely push up your product or goods on the front page in that category you're choosing for that particular product. And once your product is pushed to the first page, so definitely you are going to make lots of money and receive calls, WhatsApp message regarding that particular product, and then before you know, you are done and the product will make a lot of sales. So and the best way I think you can actually find products that you can actually sell between smartwatch, trackers, accessories. I think those are the categories that actually trending on Jiji right now. So you can look into computer accessories, security, TV, electronics, laptops and computer, then audio and music equipment, just like that. So, and of course there are other products as well that I actually look into. Just depends on what you research on and what you actually want to sell. So, and some people actually sell mobile casing, so, and all this stylish casing, people are actually interested in using fancy casing for their Apple device especially. So, and if you kind of like want to go into that tech or gadget stuff, so definitely that will be very, very amazing. So, and that is just a way round of making money with Jiji. And another way around to find products to sell, you can actually join a lot of Facebook groups. So and you can actually choose in a specific location to join on Facebook. And once you choose a specific location, maybe you are from Lagos or Abuja, so you can join different groups between. There are a lot of people who actually want to sell phones in your state. So once you join the right group, you can buy products there because they actually listed that thing for sale, and you can negotiate by pricing that particular product. So once you price it, let's say for instance that product on a normal ground actually cost about 140,000 naira, and that's a normal price or between the average price for that particular product. So then this person wants to sell it on a Facebook group for about maybe 120,000 or 110,000. So you can actually chat with that person and say that, okay, you are ready to buy this goods or products for like 100k or 90k. Then you bargain the price. So once you bargain the price, the seller can actually drop some naira out of it, or you can just reduce like 5k or 10k between the price. So once you get this product, you can come to Jiji.ng and list that product. So once you list that product, you can put any amount of price you actually want to sell this product. So once you list the price, so I suggest you promote that product. So once you use the Jiji promotion features, you'll be able to sell that product ASAP, like as soon as possible, because you will definitely know that people want to buy this, especially if it's Apple device. People would like to buy that phone, gadget or anything. So far it's actually trending. Once it's trending, people gonna buy it. So the reason why you can actually buy from Facebook is just that some people don't know about Jiji, some people don't know about how to post products on Jiji, and some people actually don't want to use money to promote the product that they actually want to sell. You understand the techniques. So since you understand the techniques, so what you just have to do is just use the right method, which is promoting the products on Jiji. And once you promote the products, you are going to sell that product ASAP. And once you sell that product, you make your profit. Once you make your profit, then you flip that your capital again on another product. There are different merchants on Jiji that are doing that exactly this method I'm actually telling you right now. So they buy used products. So once they buy used products, they come on Jiji and list that product on Jiji. And once they list it, they flip it off, then make their profit, and that's just it. It's as simple as that. And it's not hard to sell goods on Jiji. Like I'm very serious with you. So it's not hard to sell products on Jiji. And if you actually have the idea of like writing or taking extremely good pictures of the product. Once it look great and outstanding, and you show all these specs, the details about that particular product, so definitely people gonna click on it and just order for it straight up, and boom, within 2 or 3 days the product is no more available, you have sold it. So, and definitely some people will still be calling you until you take off the ads on Jiji away. So, and this method, I'm not sure if this kind of method is actually online yet, or people are trying to make a video about how you can actually sell on Gigi. But different kind of people just made a video maybe on how to sell on Gigi, or how to post ads on Gigi, or how to post your goods, service, products and all on Gigi. So they are not actually explaining how you can actually make money on the site selling on Gigi on actually a product that you don't even own. So, and of course you can actually make money on the site if you don't even have a capital yet. All you just have to do is just like, once you notice that a product is within your state, so, and you have built a relationship with the owner, so you can take a picture of those products, then come here on Gigi, list that product, and once you see buyer for that product, so you can contact the owner of that particular product, then link up with the buyer. So that's like 3 people. Then you show the buyer the phone, then you will have liaise with the owner of the product. So once you liaise with the owner of the product, so you are going to tell the person that, okay, this is the amount we have actually agreed on, and this is the amount I'm actually sending this your goods to this person. So this person will send you so amount, so you remove your own cut of the product, then you send me the balance for the product. So that's just simple, and you are going to make your own profit with no stress. That's no stress. So this is just the right way you can actually make money on Gigi on the side, of just as a side gig, and it's as simple as that if you know how you can actually make use of this particular method. And of course you will see different kind of ads on Gigi when you're actually searching for some products, like you'll say top promoted products and all. So you should know that those posters actually promote that product to get it on the top of the search, and they can actually sell that thing ASAP. So that's how it actually works. So if you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, because I believe that it's actually unique. It's actually a unique method you can actually use to make money on the site on Gigi. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.